So today we are discussing about the blood groups. Blood groups. So there are various types of grouping of blood has been done. Such blood grouping as ABO, ABO and RH is widely used. So we are discussing about these two type of blood grouping system. So first we have to study about the ABO grouping. One is the ABO grouping. ABO. ABO grouping. One a German biochemist Land Steiner proposed that the biochemical nature of blood of different persons are different. He also find the presence of two types of proteins in the blood. Number one is antigen. Number one is antigen. Actually, this antigen is a glycoprotein. It is a glycoprotein present on the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane of RBCs. Antigen are present on the plasma membrane of RBC. Actually, these antigens are the glycoprotein and which are present on the plasma membrane of RBC. So there are two types of antigen. There are two types of antigens. There are two types of antigen. A and B. Antigen, two types of antigens, A and B. So RBC may contain either antigen A or antigen B or antigen both A and B or neither A nor B antigen. So next one is antibody. Antigen, next one is the antibody. Antibody is actually globular protein. Actually, it is antibody. Actually, this is the gamma globulin protein. Gamma globulin protein. It is gamma globulin protein present in plasma of blood. Plasma of blood. So there are two types of antibodies. There are two types of antibodies. These are anti-A and anti-B. These are anti-A and anti-B. So these are the two types of the antibodies, anti-A and anti-B. A person may contain either anti-A or anti-B or both anti-A and anti-B or neither anti-A nor anti-B. It means it has either anti-A will present in the plasma or anti-B will be present in the plasma, or both anti-A and anti-B may be present in the plasma, or neither anti-A and nor anti-B present in the plasma. So there are four types of the blood groups on the basis of these antigens. So name of blood group. First, blood group. Now, next one, the antigens. Antigens on RBCs. And next, antibodies in plasma. So one is the blood group, antigens on the RBC, antibodies in plasma, and next when we see donors group. Donors blood group. So there are the four type of blood groups. Blood group A, in case of the blood group A, there is the antigen on the RBC, antigens on the RBC. Actually, what happens? Suppose this is the RBC. This is RBC. On the plasma membrane of the RBC, there is a protein, and this is called the A type of the antigen, and that is why name given as the blood group A. RBC contains antigen A, as name given as the blood group A. And here, and this is the RBC, little small, this is the RBC, this is RBC. It contains the antigen A and the antibody which is present. There will be NTB. There will be NTB. And donors, which type of the persons can donate the blood if needed. So donors blood group may be will be A and O. Two types of the person can donate the blood. Now next, blood group B. There is the RBC. This is RBC contains another type of the antigen. We can write with the red color diagram is there. So here this is A type of the antigen A, and here antigen A is there, and here in the case of the RBC is there, and in this RBC, in this case RBC contains another type of antigen. This is B type of antigen is there. So it is antigen B is there. Antigen RBC contains antigen B, so name given as the blood group B, and here there will be antibodies, NTA will be there, and which can donate blood. Blood can be donated a person having the blood group A and O. A and O. And next, blood group AB. Next one is AB. A B. In this case, RBC contains both antigen A and antigen B. So name given as the A B blood group. It is given blood group AB, and here in this situation antibody nil, no any type of antibody is given here. Since there is no antibody, so which can donate the blood having the blood group A, B, AB and O. So all can donate blood here. And next, blood group O. In case of the blood group O, which RBC you find this RBC having no any type of the antigen. Antigen is not there, so antigen is nil. And here antibodies, which type of antibodies are there? Both A both anti-A and B. So in this case, since both antibodies are present, so only a person having the O blood group can donate blood to him. In this way, first you see here, first blood group A. In case of the blood group A, that is having the RBC antigen A, and the anti plasma contain antibody B, and it can take the blood from the person having blood group A and the O. Now next, in the same way B, in case of the B, little more downside. And now this so these are the ABO grouping. That ABO grouping that having the, in this case you see that which is the universal donor. This is the universal donor, blood group O. Individual having blood group O is the universal donor. Why it is a universal donor? Because this person have no any antigen. Because it has no any antigen, so it is called as the universal donor. He can donate blood anybody. Now next, AB blood group. This is called as the universal recipient. He can receive the blood from person having any type of the blood group.